Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can add home and then shop on the Shopify Dawn theme. So once you're on your admin dashboard here, go down to online store and then themes, and let's click on customize. So if you want to add the button home and shop onto the header here, first we want to click on it, and then on the menu, click on this main menu, click on that. It'll redirect you onto a new website. And then here, this is where you can change the menu. So as you can see here, there's catalog and contact. And if you go back, there's also catalog and contact. So if you want to add onto it, just click on this add menu item. And then the name, I'll be using home. And then just click on this as well. And there will be a couple options you can pick from. This is the option that will redirect you when you click on the menu. So if it's home, it'll go to the home page. I'm going to click on that. Let's add. And then let's do shop as well. It's shop. And when you click on it, it'll redirect you onto the products page. Like that. It'll be all products. Let's add. And then once you're done with this, make sure to save the menu. Now it does take a little while to load, so give it a second. There you go. Now we have home and then shop. If we click on home, it'll bring us back to the home page. If we click on shop, it'll go to the products page, just like that.